Welcome to our tutorial on setting up auto recovery in Microsoft Excel. If you need help with saving your workbooks, be sure to check out our previous videos on Save Workbooks for the first time, Save Workbooks subsequently, and Changing File Formats. Auto recovery is an essential feature that helps protect your work from unexpected data loss. Let's walk through the steps to configure auto recovery settings. First, click on the File tab, then select More at the bottom of the menu, and click on Options. This will open the Excel Options window. Next, in the Excel Options window, click on the Save category on the left side. Ensure that the Save Auto Recover Information Every Desired Minute checkbox is checked. For this illustration, it is initially unchecked. Let's check it now. Now set the auto recovery frequency. I'll change it to 12 minutes. This means Excel will save auto recovery information every 12 minutes, allowing you to recover your work up to 5 times an hour, even if you forget to save manually. Make sure to check the Keep the Last Auto Recovered version if I close without saving box. This ensures that if Excel closes unexpectedly, you can recover your last version when you reopen the program. This is crucial for protecting your work. Next, set the AutoRecovery File Location. While the default location is fine, for this illustration, I'll change it to a folder named Excel Auto Recovered Files on the desktop. Copy and paste your desired path here. There's also an option to disable auto recovery for the current workbook by checking Disable Auto Recovery for this workbook only. It's generally not practical to disable auto recovery, as it's best to have data recovery enabled for all workbooks. Finally, click OK to save your settings. You've now successfully configured auto recovery in Excel. To recap, go to File, More, Options, select Save, check auto recovery options, set the frequency, choose the file location, and click OK. Setting up auto recovery ensures your work is safe from unexpected data loss. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. For more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Excel, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor.